In this video, we will discuss about neurons, their structure, function, and unique characteristics. We will also talk about why are neurons different from other body cells. What are neurons? Neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Neurons are specialized cells of the nervous system, responsible for transmitting information throughout the body, through electrical and chemical signals. What is the structure of neurons? Neurons consist of following parts. Cell body, also known as Soma. It contains the nucleus and organelles, responsible for metabolic activities. Dendrites. These are branch-like structures that receive signals from other neurons and transmit them toward the cell body. Axons. It is a long projection that carries signals away from the cell body to other neurons or target tissues. Synapse. It is the junction where the axon terminal communicates with another cell, using neurotransmitters. Myelin sheath. It is the fatty layer that insulates the axon, increasing signal transmission speed. Nodes of Ranvier. These are gaps in the myelin sheath, where action potentials are regenerated. Why are neurons different from other body cells? They are different from other cells because of following unique features. Neurons have neurofilaments. Neurons are non-regenerative cells because they lack centrosome. Neurons have Nissl's granules. These cells are most susceptible to hypoxia. In case of hypoxia, neurons die first. Saltatory conduction. In myelinated neurons, the action potential jumps between nodes of Ranvier, speeding up signal transmission.